everyone, it's Shauna Bontier with Royal LePage and welcome to 651 14th Street West. This beautiful property sits at the edge of Owen Sound and just steps to the Potawatomi River. Now, you can't see what the backyard looks like right now because of all of this snow, but trust me, it's a spectacular oasis with a hot tub that flows into the pool, beautiful gardens, and total privacy. Stay tuned to the end of the video to catch a glimpse of what life might look like in the summer. Now let's go in and check out the house. Bright and spacious eat-in kitchen with patio doors leading to the gorgeous backyard. This beautiful master bedroom is complete with an ensuite and walk-in closet. It seems that everyone needs a home gym and home office these days, and this family room is set up for just that. I don't know about you, but I can envision myself sipping a margarita in that backyard. Thanks for watching the tour. Call me if you'd like your own personal viewing.